Hey everyone, in this video we'll solving this LeetCode problem, Pandas 30-second question like recycle and low-fat products. So this is the second one. The given one data set, it has three columns, product ID, low fats and recyclable. And product ID is integer and low fats is enum, meaning it has set of values. So either yes or n, yes or no. Enum also like recyclable also yes or no. Okay, y or n. So they what they're expecting is they're expecting the product ID. From the given example we can understand this, but based on what, write a solution to find the IDs of product that are both low fat and recyclable. That means low fat has to be y as well as recyclable has to be y, and also they mention and. So you have to remember this. So whenever this low fat is equal to y and recyclable equal to y, so that ID we have to return. So they're not asking for return you the values, they're asking you for the entire column they're asking. Okay. So let's start. So products is already there. Whatever they given this, uh, products of which one? It's low fats. Copy this. Cop- So you have to maintain properly, and also uh, there's a big mistake, like if you give one equal to, that means you are assigning, but we are not assigning, we're comparing. So that means you have to give both equal to, and after that you have to give have to check like y, whether the y is there or not, right? So copy this y and paste it here, and also here you have to use and. So no ampersand symbol you have to use. So whenever using in this way, so comparing two things, then it's better to use parenthesis. So from shift to home, control C, same in the instead of low fats, you have to replace that with recyclable. Control C, so control V, remove the space. That's it. But if you do like this, it will return only booleans like true or false. It will return. But what? So you have to pass this products off. Then it will return that data. So it's in case if you want to assign it to something, you can assign, or let's do something in this way. So new underscore df equal to, you assign something here, and after that enter. Let's for our understanding print new underscore df, then enter. So return, what you have to return is new df. You don't want everything, you want product ID. Turn off product ID. I think it will just check, will check this. uh, if I do like this, it will see. This is a print statement, so that we got everything. Let me paste this as well. You have to understand the steps, each step, what it was doing. So what it was, so it was not returning, it just returning the value. So in order to get the entire thing, you have to do in this manner, right? So then it will return the column. Okay, so these are the steps you have to be careful when you have to see. Now it was accepted, but I don't need any print statement here. I can just, for our understanding, I just did it, but not required. I don't need to implement in a different variable also. Simply what I can do, if I run it, it will execute fine. So okay, but I don't need to store this in a new data frame also. So what I can do, simply I can remove this. I can I can put return directly here, and after that at the end, at the end I can do this step. Okay, that's it. You can run it simply in the same way. You can see solved. Okay. but it's for our understanding so that we can sense, okay, so we're storing in this way these things in a new uh, data frame, so we can do it in a better purpose. So that's why I'm saving. But it's up to you. So if you have that clarity, you can go ahead with the same data frame only. Okay, that's it. I'll solve the next question in the next tutorial. So till then, take care. Bye bye.